Hello, I'm Dave. Welcome back to part 2 of the video. I will be covering the remainder of the tabs now, and again I will cover green screen and facial detect in a separate video. So last time I explained that the background template images and the green screen backgrounds can be the same pixel size, and it gives you a reference of that size there, 1728 pixels width by a 2592 height and a DPI of 72. Okay, so the next tab then that I'll be coming to is the SLR camera. Now this is just an indication that your camera is connected. So if you find that you're throwing up an error on screen, that the camera's not there, just double check that it is actually connected and make sure the USB is plugged in, camera switched on, etc. The cloud upload is where you need an active internet connection. Now if I wanted to project my pictures after they've been printed or cancelled to a web page, for example, I could have, say for example, I have upload after print. So click create an event link, brings up a random code. I can then copy that code into any web browser, which will load up a blank page. Now once the photos have been printed, those photos will then appear on this page. Now in that page people can scroll through all the photos that have been took all day and night. They get 3 weeks to view them before the link goes dead, and they can share those links and images to Facebook, Twitter or email. The page layouts tab is just showing you where the graphics are currently displayed. So you've got your page layout, touch time pages, and if you press update you can see the position of the main flash graphic. I can position that up and down, move it around wherever I want it to be. Is selection page, gives you a preview of what that currently looks like. Again, I can position the graphics to wherever I want them to be. The green box is the indicator of your live view. The blue strip across there would be the positions of your green screen selections or facial detect selections, and obviously single shot, multi shot at the top. Print page shows you the positions of the print graphics and also your final photo before it's actually being print. You can actually make that bigger if you require that to look a little bit bigger on screen. The logo, you can actually have a logo appear on your screen, so it will appear right at the bottom. So if I've added a logo in previously, I can select it in here. I'll just select that one for now. Hasn't showed because it's in black, so you need something that's going to stand out. Auto set the width and height, that makes it a lot bigger. I can then position that up and down if I require. I could put it at the bottom of the screen, which is where most people seem to place theirs. Just going to take this off. Okay, video record is not currently available yet, so there's nothing really to show in there. I've then got my green screen options, so I can show you the admin section for the green screen, but I'll show you how the green screen actually works in another video. So you get, as I said, you get 9 backgrounds per set. Now this is classed as a horror set, as you can see there. I can then select something else. Places 2, for example. If I press load, it loads up 9 places. Now when using green screen, that would be my main set, but I could have additional sets underneath for people to choose as well, which you load in here. I'll put places 2 again. So you can have an additional 4 sets really, but it's best to always choose whatever you have as a main set, have it as an additional set. Otherwise you cannot go back to your original set once something else has been selected. The face detection, again, it's kind of like the green screen. You load in here what you want, so for example beards, press load set, and they'll have beards on screen. You could have hats, it's quite straightforward. You have additional sets as well. Right, so that. The About tab is just giving you a bit of info of our support email address, just a bit of a news feed really. Now CoinOp is only obviously for coin operated mirrors, so in here, and to enable your CoinOp mode, you just tick enable CoinOp. You have your credit which displays on screen. You can change that symbol. You just use your keyboard. You can change it to euros or dollars or whatever your currency is. For test mode, you can actually add credit on yourself rather than putting the coins in. Just press add. Now you want it to show the price, so you type your price in there of how much you're going to charge per photo, and you can change the flash graphic as well, so it's got some sort of like money flash graphic on screen when there's no credits available. The only other part you need to do is enable the master enable. Once that is done and your CoinOp's connected, it will then convert your booth to CoinOp mode. Obviously you need the CoinOp device to be able to use this. Then your final tab is your revisions. It's just giving you a bit of options of what has been updated in the software so far. And that is about it for this video. So not a lot to it, but I will doing more videos, one for green screen and one for the facial detection. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.